Hi guys, welcome to Ryzen Warriors. Today I've got this package right here and I have ordered a mic. It's a Wright WR 800 mic. So let's go ahead and unbox this stuff. So I've got this mic for my YouTube channel, for my studio right here. So let's go ahead. So basically it's a black mic. I researched in web a lot and I found this mic to be a better option with it's got you can say USB also for attaching on the USB port. So it's a pretty big package from Amazon right here. This is foam, we don't need it. Bill, I think we need it. And here's the mic itself. And this, throw it away. So this is a mic. They've got a free cord and a free external sound card and a shock mount. That's a good thing. We've got a shock mount here and we have got a wind cap for stopping that wind and all when you speak. So it says it's a professional mic. We'll test it and let you know, guys. I've ordered a black one. This is the black one. So I've ordered a black mic. It has these kind of specs. I'm not peculiar about these. It's 20 kilowatt to 20 hertz, 20 kilohertz, I guess, yeah. And it's given the decibel range right here, and 7 decibel. So let's not waste our time and open this stuff. Yes, it's right here. Okay, we are in. So this is blah blah instructions, that this is a contact number, before refunding do this, do that, and blah blah. Never mind. So it's like a voucher, something like that. So instruction manual, this, that, blah blah. You have to set like this. Okay, we don't need that. We can do it on our own. Okay, firstly the cord. The quality is pretty good, and it's a quite solid cord, quite you can say big. It's quite big. I think it's 5 meter, yeah, 5 to 10 meter, I think. So we'll let you know, guys. It's a gold plated socket, and it's really good. So let's go ahead. This is the wind cap. So this is the wind cap, and it goes right in the mic. And this is the USB card right here. USB sound card. So it's audio in, I think, and this is the audio out. So let me open it up. It has the, I don't know what, the Wright logo like this. So for the guys that don't have a good USB card, they can use this one. That's really good that Wright has kept this in the package itself. So here's it. So this is the holder. Seeing the bit plasticky holder, I think I have to just tear it up. Oops, up. Okay, the build quality, I think it's a complete mess. It's plastic. It's plastic. It's not a metal. It's not a metal thing. So it's a bad part on there that after you can say this pricey microphone, you get a plastic holder. Okay, let's see. So this is the mic itself. It's a stainless steel. I think it's stainless steel about here, and it's plastic all here. It's quite heavy. Yep, it's quite heavy, and something is, I don't know what is it. So I think it's a stainless steel thing. So I think it does attach right here. Okay, it's got rubbery stuff here to attach this thing, and I don't think where it goes. Let me just. Okay. Okay, so I've got it. So in order to just put it, just press it and just keep it inside. Okay, that's really nice. So here's the cord, it goes right here, and the cap also goes right here. So overall impressions, the build quality, especially for the mic, is it's okay. For the wire, it's great. I don't think it would just tear off. These end points won't tear off so easily. And this thing, the stand is really very bad. It could break apart. It could break apart. I think if you just hold down it too tightly, it would just break apart. And the notch, this notch is for the stand. So this mic doesn't include any stand. You have to buy a stand for it. So check out my next video for the in-depth review of this when I'll be testing it on my PC and telling you the sound test and all the benchmarks of it. Thank you for watching, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.